Hello everyone, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get screen recording option on iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, scroll down and you as can see screen recording option on my iPhone. So how to get, go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here you scroll down and tap on control center, tap on this. From here you as can see screen recording option. If you tap on manage option and tap on remove, and after that scroll down and you as can see remove my screen recording option. So how to recover, go back your home screen and open your again setting, and from here you scroll down and tap on control center, tap on this, and from here you search for this screen recording option. You as can see screen recording option and tap on plus option, and after that you scroll down and you as can see. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.